Built by Truvac, proven by years of innovation, the HXX handles any job, no matter how tough or how big. Versatile and powerful, the HXX is built to perform across industries, from oil and gas to construction, utilities, and public works. Utilizing a 320-degree extendable boom, it's able to provide operators everywhere with a safer and easier-to-use alternative for pipe and line repair, potholing, slot trenching, and other large-volume excavation jobs. With unmatched vacuum power, the HXX tackles projects of any size. Dig-Right technology ensures precision, while auxiliary tool compatibility adds versatility and reliability on every job. Proudly built in Texas and trusted by industry professionals nationwide, Blaze equipment is ready to deliver unmatched performance, dependability, and craftsmanship